Hey guys, so I'm back in the shop with my dad because Vevor sent over this induction heater for us to try out in exchange for this video. You know how annoying those rusty bolts can be, like the ones that make you, really just aggravated that you cannot get out. This thing can basically solve that problem. You just slip one of the coils around the stuck bolt, hit the button, and it uses magnetic induction to heat the metal from the inside. So there's no flame, no torches. The bolt literally expands in like 20 to 30 seconds, and then you can back it right out. It's like magic. The kit itself is nice too. It comes with 8 different coils, so you always have one that fits whatever weird bolt or fastener you're trying to deal with, and it all stays together in a nice little lockable box, which is great because normally my dad can lose stuff instantly, so it's great that it can all be kept in that box. The cooling system is actually pretty smart too. It's got vents, a built-in air guide, and a fan that kicks on automatically, so you don't have to babysit it. There's even a bright LED on the front, but really if you do any kind of automotive or mechanical work, especially if you mess with older stuff or anything that's been out in the weather, this thing saves so much time. It heats up so quick and so much. My dad's already used it on a couple of bolts, screws and bearings and little gears. Anything metal that refuses to move, this thing is going to help you out. It's one of those tools you don't use every day, but when you need it, it really comes in handy. My dad loves it. We know you will too, and I hope this video helps.